Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey, and for episode 3 of healthy diabetic friendly recipes, I'm sharing roasted masala makhana, a healthy tea time snack. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my kadai, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use wood pressed coconut oil or even A2 desi ghee. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 3 cups of makhana, and I'm lightly roasting the makhana on low to medium flame. Make sure that the wood pressed groundnut oil is coated all over the makhana, as it will help in easy roasting. Makhana, also known as fox nuts or lotus seeds, are high in fiber. It's a good source of magnesium, potassium, protein, and many other essential minerals. Makhana has a low glycemic index, hence it's a good snack to include in diabetic diet. 3 to 4 minutes later, I'm checking whether the makhanas are roasted. So I'm taking a small makhana and pressing it, and if it breaks and crumbles immediately, then that shows the makhana is roasted. I'll check once more. So this is how you can know whether the makhana is roasted. So I'm going to transfer this to another plate. The masalas I'm using are 1.5 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder. So Kashmiri chilli powder has less heat but has a nice red color. However, if you are using ordinary chilli powder, you may need only 1 teaspoon. Half teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. This is freshly ground black pepper powder. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Now for better assimilation of turmeric, it's always ideal to include black pepper. So these are the masalas I'm adding. I'm going to keep this aside. In the same pan, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 6 to 7 garlic cloves crushed, a couple of sprigs of fresh curry leaves. Give it a stir and allow the garlic cloves to get light golden brown in color. And once the garlic clove starts to turn light golden brown in color, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon sunflower seeds, 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds, and giving this a good mix, and allow the seeds to get lightly roasted. And once the seeds starts to get lightly roasted, I'm adding in 3 tablespoon green moong dal flakes. Moong dal flakes are a good source of protein and fiber. These days moong dal flakes are available online. 3 tablespoon roasted chana dal, 3 tablespoon roasted peanuts, and I'm giving this all a good mix and allow everything to get lightly roasted. Once lightly roasted, I'm adding in half teaspoon sea salt or as needed, and give this all a good mix. At this moment, turn off the flame, add in the kept aside masalas, give it a quick stir, and allow the masalas to get lightly heated so that the raw flavor is diminished. Add in few curry leaves, add in the roasted makhanas, and give this all a good mix. Remember, I have turned off the flame so that the masalas does not get burnt. Give this all a good mix and make sure that the masalas are coated nicely over the makhanas. Once everything is nicely coated, transfer to a plate. Allow it to cool down completely and then transfer to an airtight glass container. The makhanas will stay good at room temperature for up to a month if kept in an airtight glass container. So guys, do try this healthy masala makhana snack recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.